Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to configure the Docker health check with a condition in just a minute. Let's get started. Here we have a simple Docker compose file set up with a web container and a DB container. We are looking to make the web container dependent on the DB container with the health check along with the condition. As you can see, this is the Docker file that we have set up for the web application. It is a simple Flash server, and this is the code that we have set up for bringing up the Flask application required for the web server, and these are some of the dependencies that is required for the day. Let's run the code using docker compose up -build. Before running, please do make sure that you have the Docker installed in your system and also the Docker compose. Let's check. As you can clearly see, the Postgres or the DB container is yet to be healthy, and you can clearly see that you don't have the web application up so far. As we check again, you see that the DB container is healthy, which has brought up the Flask application or the web application into life. It is as simple as this. If you found this useful, please do like, share, and subscribe. Until we meet again.